footnotes and endnotes. These are the important features of Microsoft Word: footnote and endnote. Word footnote feature enables you to enter, edit and view footnotes, endnotes in a variety of formats. The only differences between footnotes and endnotes is that the footnotes appear at the bottom of page and endnotes appear at the end of document. Footnotes and endnotes. Footnotes: when you want to give extra information about any topics or reference, then use footnotes or endnotes. Footnotes appear at the bottom of page and endnote appears at the end of a document. Next, steps for inserting footnote and endnote. Step 1. Position the insertion point after the text where you want to insert a reference mark. Step 2. Click the reference tab. Step 3. If you want to insert endnote, click endnote icon. Step 4. If you want to insert footnote, click footnote icon. Step 5. Type the text that you want to type. These are the steps for inserting footnotes and endnotes. If you want to insert footnotes or endnotes, then follow the given steps. Next, footnote and endnote options. These are the options where you can see in reference tab it will display options: insert endnote or insert footnotes. With the help of these options, you can easily insert footnotes or endnotes of a document. Next, inserting symbols. In Word, you can insert symbol and mathematical equations in the document, such as characters like copyright, registered symbol, currency symbol, etc. If you want to insert symbols that are not available on a keyboard, some special symbols like copyright, registered sign, or mathematical notations, then use symbol options. Next, steps for inserting symbols. Move the cursor where you want to insert a symbol in the document. Step 2. Click Insert tab of Symbol group. Click on drop down arrow. Step 3. A list of symbols appears. Click the desired symbol you want. Step 4. If you want to see more options in the symbols, click the More Symbols options. These are the steps for inserting symbol in a document. If you want to insert any special symbols in your document, then follow the given steps. Next one is inserting symbol dialog box. These are the dialog box with the help of this dialog box you can insert any type of symbols like dollar, copyright, 1 by 2, sigma, alpha, beta, gamma. You can insert any one of them. Next, steps for inserting equations. Step 1. Move the cursor where you want to type equation in the document. Step 2. Click Insert tab of symbol group. Click the equation icon. Step 3. The equation placeholder appears. Step 4. Select the equation in the Design Contextual tab in the Structure group. Step 5. In the Symbol group, click the drop down arrow. Step 6. The basic mathematical sets are available in the drop down list. Step 7. Select the desired symbol in the basic gallery. These are the steps for inserting mathematical equations in a document. Next, insert equation dialog box or options. When you click on insert or equation options, a new tab will displayed on a screen is design. Here all the basic mathematical symbols are available like greater than, less than, root under, alpha, beta, gamma, sigma, theta, pi symbol. All symbols are available here. You can easily click on that. It will insert in a document. Some examples are given or inserted in a page. Thank you.